How to start a six-figure online business without any experience. For those of you who has been wanting to start an online business but just don't really know where to start, or don't really know or have the time to learn new skills, how to run the business and things like that, I'm going to be showing you exactly what you need to do in order to run a successful online business without any experience. So when I first started my digital marketing business, I took some courses and I learned how to run some Google ads and some Facebook ads, basically how to generate new leads for businesses. However, I had zero sales skills. And so it might be the other way around for you. You might be good at sales but not know how to do web design or Facebook ads, Google ads, or whatever it is. But the cool thing is that whatever you're not good at when it comes to online business, and the beauty of this is that you can delegate and outsource any of this work. So I'm gonna share with you exactly what I did when I first started running my business and I didn't have experience. So just like Uber and Lyft, they are the modern day taxi that provides transportation without owning any cars. And you can be like Airbnb, where you can rent out homes without owning any homes. So how does that apply to an online business? Well, let me tell you, you can run a digital marketing business without actually having to know how to provide the service. Let me go ahead and dive in deeper to share what I'm talking about. So let's say you want to offer Google ads and Facebook ads to a local business, a doctor, a gym, a personal trainer, a restaurant, or whatever it is, but you don't know how to run Facebook ads, or you don't want to handle that part. The cool thing is that you can hire someone to drop service for you and white label that service on your behalf. So drop service is pretty similar to drop shipping, right? You're selling a product that you actually don't own. Just like drop servicing, you're bringing a client and then you're finding someone to fulfill the results, and then you collect the money as a middleman to manage this whole entire process. So what does that mean for you, right? You don't need to learn how to do the actual skill because you have somebody in place that will do it for you. All you need to do is focus on getting the client. So how do you find reliable talent that is specialized in this skill to get results for your client so that you don't actually have to do the service yourself? Well, the first place you can look at is Upwork.com. So Upwork.com is one of many websites out there where you can go on and hire freelancers from anywhere in the world, and they really specialize in what they do. So by hiring these people, you're able to find somebody, put somebody in place to fulfill the services on your behalf. So there's Upwork.com. I'm thinking there's Freelancer.com as well. I mainly personally use Upwork.com, and you can also find these people in Facebook groups as well. So what I would do is go on Upwork.com or any site that you like or Facebook group and just create a post on exactly what you're looking for, right? Let's say you signed on a personal trainer client. You would just simply create a post. Hello, need help with Facebook ads or Google ads or whatever it is that you want to offer to get personal trainer X amount of new clients. From there, you're gonna have a bunch of people apply to your job post, and then you just do an interview process, right? Just like a boss, an owner, you need to do the interviews and sort out the people that you want on your team. So really, this is team building, right? Building a team for your business, putting people in place that you trust and know can get results, and delegating that work to them. So you now have someone in place that can fulfill the results and the services under your company's name. And so from there, all you need to do is bring the client on. You already have your team built, you connect the two, and now you're acting as a business owner, not working in your business, but on your business. And so the cool thing is that you can outsource and delegate any of this, right? With my business, I'm outsourcing, different parts of my business. Whatever it is that you don't want to do, not good at, you can outsource and delegate. So you're just really building a team around your business and placing people into places and creating a system. And so eventually you'll have someone fulfilling the results, you'll have someone that's doing the sales, you'll have someone that's doing your onboarding team, you'll have client account managers where they're checking in and keeping the clients updated. And so now you have a business and a team helping you running your business without you having to actually have any of the experience. So it doesn't matter what type of online business it is, you can definitely hire talent from anywhere in the world, and these people are from anywhere in the world, right? I hire some people from the Philippines, we've had people from Bangladesh, and the cool thing about that is that you're able to pay a lot less compared to if you were to hire somebody from the States. So for example, hiring somebody to run Facebook ads here in the US, it might cost you, who knows, around $1,500 to $3,000 a month, maybe even more, depending on how good they are. Or you can hire someone from the Philippines who is just as good and will get the job done for less than half the price. And so that is how you're gonna have a profitable online business. And with that, guys, hopefully that is helpful. If you haven't already, drop a thumbs up if you thought this video was helpful whatsoever. Subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more about entrepreneurship and making money online. And as always, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!